Hey guys, as always, I love a good breakfast, I love potato, and I like omelets, and I decided to put this together, a baked potato omelet. Just the perfect mixture. You're gonna love it. Let me walk you through it, and let's get started. Okay, to kick things off here, what I've got are 3 medium-sized potatoes. And I'm just going to put a little bit of oil over the top just to keep them from getting too dry. And slip these into a 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 45 minutes. Now I'm doing these the night before because I want breakfast quick and easy the next day. Okay, once the potatoes are beautifully fork tender, I'm just going to take a knife and cut through them and cut the tops off. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy melon baller. Now you can just use a spoon if you like. I just kind of like this, and scoop the flesh out. Then I'm going to go ahead and place the potatoes in a bowl. So you want something like this. You don't want to scrape it all the way to the bottom because you want a bowl, so you don't want skin around it. To continue with my omelet, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs, a slice of cooked ham. Now you can use deli ham, but I like the cooked ham. About 4 tablespoons of red onions, chopped up. About 5 leaves of basil, fresh from the garden. Some garlic, keep the vampires away. And I say this is about half a teaspoon. A good pinch of salt. And of course some ground black pepper. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy whisk and mix this up. It's going to be such a good omelet. Then scoop my mixture into the potato. Oh guys, this smells so good. Next up, take some of that old sharp cheddar and just grate it over the top. You can use mozzarella too. I just like the cheddar. Now we're going to place this back into the oven at the same temperature for another 10 minutes or so, just until the egg sets and the cheese melt. After about 10 minutes, they're beautifully done, so I'm just going to go ahead and garnish these up with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, guys, our simple and delicious baked potato omelet. This is going to be so good. Okay, let's poke in, guys, and see what we have here. Guys, this is so good. The flavors just come together nicely. It's got that omelet taste and texture, but the potato, you're gonna love this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to Cook and Share. I'll put a link below. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.